How to download the Costco mobile app. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Here we go. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in Costco and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, click on it. Costco Wholesale Corporation operates an international chain of membership warehouses mainly under the Costco wholesale name that carry quality, brand name, merchandise at substantially lower prices that are typically found at conventional wholesale or retail sources. The strength of Costco's business model is largely in its simplicity. Costco sells high-quality goods at bargain prices to members who pay $60 or more per year of the privilege of shopping there. Most of Costco's profit come from its membership income, meaning the company operates the retail business nearly at cost. To download this app, you have to click on the option of Get or Install. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download, you can launch this app, log into your account and use it. So this way you can easily download Costco mobile app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.